Hello, welcome to my channel where I share how to make money in any industry you're in or want to go into. In today's episode, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics of the decade, which is how to make money with AI. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's already tech-savvy, I'm going to break down 5 simple ways you can start earning with artificial intelligence AI in 2025. But before we get into all of this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now back to business. Truth is AI is here to stay, and if you're not learning about this stuff now, it's definitely going to affect your career in the future. Here are some amazing ways to make money in the AI space. Number 1 way is becoming an AI creator, and basically what this means is instead of using some sort of AI tool to create a business, you're just simply going to teach others how to use AI. This could be on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or here on YouTube. I believe this is one of the craziest opportunities of 2025 because there is so much buzz around AI. All you have to do is make valuable contents, and your videos are almost guaranteed to get views because of how popular AI is right now. And a good number of creators are already making a lot of money educating people about AI. The exciting part is that you literally don't need to be an expert. Just pick one specific thing about AI that interests you and share what you learn along the way. There's a channel I know that's based around teaching people with no experience how to launch a software company using the power of AI, and simply sells a course on how to do this and making a ton of money. You could try this idea out on TikTok to see if people will be interested. Then you could either make money through affiliate links or launch your own digital products. Number 2 way is AI affiliate marketing. Honestly, this is my absolute favorite way to make money with AI right now. And the best part is you don't need any experience or thousands of dollars to get started. While you are making videos to teach people how to use AI for their businesses or brands, all you need to do is sign up as an affiliate for this AI companies and attach generated affiliate links to the videos you upload and ask interested persons to use your link in signing up on the AI platform. They could start with free version, but at some point some of the free subscribers who used your link will become paid subscribers, and you will get your commissions as long as they keep using the platform. Imagine if your videos goes viral, the traffic it will drive and possible numbers of people who will sign up through your affiliate links. Also, to guarantee that more people sign up using your link, you can create a course with a detailed step-by-step guide on a particular AI and offer it for free. And in order for them to follow along, they must sign up on the AI platform, but they must do it using your link as a way of showing appreciation for your valuable offer, which is worth X amount of dollars, but you choose to give those who will appreciate it by signing up with your link for free. Number 3 way, chatbots. You can build and sell AI chatbots. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve customer service, and chatbots are a perfect solution. You don't need to be a programmer to create one thanks to platforms like ManyChat, Tidio, or ChatGPT API. Here's how you can make money. 1. Freelance chatbot development. Offer chatbot setup services for small businesses. 2. Sell pre-made chatbots. Create templates for specific industries like e-commerce or real estate and sell them on marketplaces like Gumroad. 3. Subscription services. Offer ongoing chatbot maintenance and updates for a monthly fee. It's a win-win. You help businesses save time and you get paid for it. Now, this is what I mean when I talk about the fact that AI is just getting so incredibly good. I mean, in just a few minutes, you can now create your own AI sales bot that can make sales calls, handle all customer service, or even work as a receptionist. And trust me, this is such a huge opportunity to make money in 2025. Because right now, small businesses are spending thousands of dollars on sales teams, receptionists, and so on, and customer service people. But with this tool, you can help them save a ton of money by helping them automate these parts of their business. Let me give you a simple example that's going to show you exactly how powerful this is. So think about businesses like physiotherapists, dentists, and chiropractors. They literally lose so much money when people don't show up for appointments. They can only see so many people each day. So every time a client doesn't show up is costing them thousands of dollars. But here's where it gets really exciting. You could charge these businesses $1,000 per month to set up this AI confirmation bot that calls their clients 24 hours before appointments. This would dramatically reduce the amount of clients not showing up and help them save thousands of dollars per month. To do this, sign up for a free account with Synthflow. Go to the top right and click Create an Assistant. Select Customer Assistant, and go through the rest of the setup instructions. Then you get to this page where you're going to be able to customize your sales bot. Here you can write out your main pitch, add different responses for common questions, include objection handlers. SynthFlow will also automatically create variations of these and start to learn what works. Your AI bot will just get better and better the more conversations it has. The best part about this is that once you set it up for a company, it will run automatically. So it's basically semi-passive income. All you need to do is monitor the sales bot every few days. Number 4 way, create and sell AI-generated contents. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic have revolutionized content creation, making it easier and faster to generate high-quality written materials. Whether you're an entrepreneur or just looking for a side hustle, you can leverage AI to create and sell contents online. Here's a step-by-step guide to turning AI-generated content into a profitable business. 1. Sell ebooks, self-publishing with AI. Selling ebooks is a fantastic way to generate passive income. AI can help you write, edit, and format your book, making the process faster and more efficient. To do this, first, choose a niche. Popular niches include self-help, business, personal finance, and fiction. Second, use AI to generate the content. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, outline chapters, and generate well-structured content. Third, edit and improve. AI-generated content still needs a human touch. Edit for clarity, coherence, and originality. Fourth, design an eye-catching cover with tools like Canva. Fifth, publish on KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon KDP allows you to reach millions of readers worldwide. Lastly, promote your ebook by using social media, email marketing, and ads to drive sales. New authors can make $100 to $500 per month, while best-selling ebooks can generate $1,000 plus monthly. 2. AI-generated printables and digital products. You can also use AI to create digital planners, journals, coloring books, or templates and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. And here's how to monetize this digital products. First, use AI to generate inspirational quotes, planners, or workbooks. Second, sell them as downloadable products. Third, bundle multiple templates for higher earnings. Many Etsy sellers make $1,000 plus per month selling digital downloads. By leveraging AI for content creation, you can generate a steady income stream with minimal effort. Start today and turn AI into your personal content assistant. Number 5 way to make money with AI is AI-generated music and video licensing / AI model and influencers. AI-generated media assets, including music, movies, video game environments, and virtual influencers, are in high demand across various industries. These assets can be sold or licensed in multiple ways. 1. NFT marketplaces for digital art and media. Convert AI-generated artwork, music, or short films into NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and sell them on platforms like OpenSea, Foundation, Rarible, or SuperRare. Offer limited edition AI artwork with exclusive rights to collectors. Enable smart contracts for royalty-based earnings, ensuring artists and creators receive a percentage of resale profits. 2. Licensing AI-generated contents to businesses and creators. Stock music and soundtracks. Upload AI-generated music compositions to platforms like Epidemic Sound, Artlist, or Audio Jungle, where content creators can license them. AI-generated video backgrounds. Sell AI-generated video backdrops, CGI elements, or AI-enhanced footage to filmmakers and video creators via stock video platforms like Shutterstock or Pond5. Game environments and assets. Offer AI-generated 3D assets, textures, and landscapes for game developers on marketplaces like Unity Asset Store or Unreal Engine Marketplace. 3. The rise of AI-generated virtual models and influencers presents a lucrative opportunity for businesses and marketers. These AI-powered digital personalities can be hired by brands to engage audiences, promote products, and create content at scale. You can develop a unique AI persona using tools like DeepBrain AI, Synthesia, or DID for lifelike digital avatars. Build a loyal following for it and hire to brands who needs it. There you have it. Making money with AI is a lucrative adventure. If you found value in this video, kindly hit the like button and support me by subscribing to the channel. Leave all your questions and suggestions of the industry you will like me to make a video on how to make money in the comment section. Pick one of the ways and try out what you have learned in this video. See you in my next video.